A brighter future. Employee wellness in the post-COVID workplace. As a global health crisis of unprecedented proportions, the coronavirus pandemic has changed the world immeasurably, and its effect on the workplace has been no less radical. 63% of American workers say the way they work will never return to normal. 46%, almost half, say the pandemic has led to stress that's negatively impacted their job performance. There's a silver lining, though, to this deeply challenging situation, one that has the potential to lead us into a brighter post-COVID future. A new focus on employee wellness. Employee wellness means a lot more than just health and safety. It includes everything from work flexibility to financial security and beyond. And no matter your industry, here are 4 key ways to promote it within your organization. Innovative health measures. In the wake of the pandemic, workplace safety has become the #1 concern for employers and employees in every sector. In fact, 46% of workers believe open workspaces are no longer conducive to their health. We've seen constantly evolving federal and state guidelines, along with a whole host of new protective measures, including masks, social distancing, deep cleaning and disinfecting, and temperature checks. Yet while these basic practices are crucial, there are also more innovative methods employers can use to ensure the safety of their workforce. Methods fueled by the latest technology. One of these is introducing touchless time clocks driven by state-of-the-art facial recognition. With a touchless time clock, employees can scan their faces or badges at a distance without having to physically punch in. The hands-free interaction reduces the potential for germs and illness to spread among workers. Employee health tracking software is another powerful tool organizations can utilize as a safer and more efficient alternative to last-minute, at-the-door temperature checks. The best software integrates seamlessly with a company's workforce management system so that the results of daily electronic health surveys funnel directly into the scheduling platform, ensuring that well employees can come to work while sick employees stay home. A more flexible work model. The pandemic has changed how we work, and perhaps most consequently, where we work. With countless businesses' physical locations shuttered, millions of Americans have shifted from on-site to remote labor, or hybrid work, which is a blended combination of the two. One excellent way to provide today's workforce with greater flexibility and fluidity, even in sectors that require in-person work, like healthcare, is through mobile technology. Employees and managers are able to communicate and stay connected even when physically apart. Managers can keep track of workers' location and activities from a distance. Team members can pick up and trade shifts that work best for their personal schedules. Previously manual processes, like punching in and even getting paid, may be done digitally. Agile workforce management software with a mobile component equips a business to operate smoothly and successfully, even if its staff isn't all situated in a central location. And empowering employees to do their jobs in a more flexible fashion makes them feel trusted and valued, while also likely improving their work-life balance. Wage advance. The COVID-19 crisis has led to an enormous spike in financial insecurity, not just for the unemployed, but even for those who are still working. 41% of Americans say they could not pay an unexpected $250 expense. 44% are afraid they will be unable to afford food or groceries. These fears are felt especially acutely by hourly workers. With bills mounting as they wait for their bi-weekly paychecks, many end up turning to predatory payday lenders who charge excessive interest of more than 300% on average. Now these individuals find themselves and their families mired in even deeper debt. An effective solution to this persistent problem, and an answer to workers' financial needs, is wage advance, or instant payment. Businesses that offer a wage advance option allow their employees to receive immediate payment for hours they've already worked, all through a convenient digital solution, so they're no longer at the mercy of the 2-week pay cycle. By making instant payment available, organizations can show their workers that they care about their financial stability in these uncertain times. Tools for well-being. One positive outcome of the pandemic has been a realignment of priorities on the part of both employers and employees in favor of a more human, holistic view of individuals as people, not merely workers. This development brings with it an increased emphasis on employees' mental and physical well-being. Organizations can use this difficult juncture as a chance to start focusing on the overall wellness of their workforce and to give them the tools they need to thrive as human beings. So what can businesses offer their teams to nurture their holistic health? Here are some promising ideas. Expand benefits to include services like childcare, caregiving, counseling, and financial coaching. Provide free access to a mindfulness or behavioral health app and free or discount memberships to a local gym and/or yoga studio. Organize team activities and/or volunteer efforts to nurture relationships and boost morale. Just as important as all of these initiatives is making sure to properly communicate them to personnel so everyone's aware of what's available. In the post-COVID workplace, employees who feel looked after and taken care of are far more likely to succeed. To learn more, visit us at WorkSync.com and download our Employee Wellness Toolkit.